And it happened. Like, I
What?
told the guy it's over. And he was like, you know I have your nudes.
Ah!
Yo, Kush. Hello.
What's up, guys? This is your boy Kush again on this side, and I am back with another banging video. You feel me? This is the On Phone with Kush. On Phone with Kush. You know, sometimes it get really hard for you to get people to come over to your studio or to wherever you are filming to interview them. You get it? But man, I got you guys. You feel me? I have devised a mechanism for me to get them, but it will be on phone. You feel me? Yeah. So basically that is it. We are going to be getting these episodes every week, every single week. Yeah, so the topic for today is nudity in relationships, and we have one of my favorite G's, like one of my girls, you feel me? Yeah, she's going to be talking about her experiences with nudity, what she thinks about it, you understand? So we could not waste much time. Let's call her. This is Kush. Right back.
Hello.
Alright, so guys, as I said earlier on, we have Alice on this side, and you know, Alice is my favorite G. She's someone I have really loved from day one, you feel me? And I don't even get the reason why we are not married yet. Alice, I didn't see you married, Jack. Jack, because from day one, I mean, who go we like we clicked from day one. I didn't know her from Adam, but still, man. Alice, so you know, I want us to talk about something very simple. Very quick, yeah. Are you in for a nude in a relationship? Have you even gotten a nude before? Has someone sent you a nude before?
Yeah, I used to get a lot. A lot.
How did you feel about it? Like, how did you feel? Was it something pleasant? Did you like them? You know, people have weird ways of showing that they love other people. You get me? Yes. So, how was it for you when you got your first nude? How was it for you?
Oh, like it depends. It depends on the relationship you have with the person.
Okay.
Like, I got this first time I meet Mina nudes, no?
Yeah.
I like it because I wasn't so much into the person. Like, all of a sudden, what do you mean? And the person was like, you know, I'm
That's
into
right.
you.
That's right.
And those kind of stuff. But I didn't like it because I wasn't so much into it. Vienna, I wasn't into that person. And see, you sending me nudes will not do anything. Like, will not, yeah, like, it won't do anything to me. As I said earlier, it depends on the relationship you have with the person.
Okay.
It depends on how far, like, you've gone to, like, only Nipano,
I understand.
those stuff, like, hey, so it depends, like, naturally, it depends on the kind of relationship you have with the person.
All right, so let me ask you one quick question, yeah? You know, it will be very difficult for someone to send you his or her nudes. You get it? If the person don't have any emotional attachment to you, or if the person doesn't like you genuinely, all right? So, I don't understand. Did you give in to this person just because maybe you didn't like him? Did the news not tell you anything? Didn't it ring any bell in your head that, oh, maybe this person might be genuine or something?
No, because I don't like the person.
You do? Okay, so it was more or less like you didn't like the person, so that was why you didn't get to appreciate what the person did, yeah?
Yeah, I really like the person, and we weren't having that kind of, you know, vibe.
Yeah.
It just started like, let's say a month later, and all of a sudden news and no, we have to get inside, like
you are traditional that way.
Inside, yeah. So that early stages of sending nudes,
yeah,
it won't do anything to me. Like, yeah, it won't do anything.
Is this person specific, or generally every lady or every human don't want to get nudes at the early stages of their relationship or something?
I don't know. I don't really know for others, but to me, I think at that early stage,
yeah,
it doesn't really matter. But for someone, maybe they get to know themselves maybe 2-3 weeks, and yeah, they are good to go. Like, they exchange their nudes, and but for me, it has to take a long period of time before, like, those kind of stuff will get into it.
All right. So if I understand you correctly, it means you're not against sending nudes in a relationship, yeah?
I'm not against it.
Why? Because people think it is barbaric. People think it is out, I don't know, uncultured. You feel me? Like, why should you have to send your nude to someone just because you want to prove to the person that you love the person or something? Hey.
We do for love,
Man.
You'll be there and be like, so I did this, like,
Man.
it's kind of like madness.
What was I even thinking?
So,
I understand.
yeah, so like it's like things we do for love, you know.
Yeah.
It's something like that. You just have to you want to go wayward, like you want to express your feelings for the person. You want the person to know that you love him or her, like no matter what. So like you will do anything, like you will do anything.
Yeah.
Also my
Okay, so what was your response to the person who sent you those nudes now? What did you tell him?
I told him I don't like it.
Wow.
I'm not interested in it.
Don't you think you were a little bit harsh on him?
Yeah, I realized after sending the message, I realized it was a little bit harsh. So I went back and I told him that I'm sorry, I didn't mean anything hard, but since I don't like it, like it's too early for this kind of thing. I don't really like it. I don't like it. The thing is, I don't like it.
You know, what you just said have drawn me to something, yeah? You said you didn't like the guy, right? Even when he sent those things to you, you didn't like him, right? So do you mean to tell me, or were you in some way implying that if you had liked that guy now or sending nudes now, it wouldn't have been any issue or something?
Yeah, it wouldn't have been like an issue.
I depend you.
Yeah, the distance between me and the person, and you know, I'm so much into this guy, and he's so much into. We are an item now, and he's sending me nudes. Like, no, I don't have a problem, because as a matter of fact, I'm not the kind of person who used to give my phone to people like that.
Okay.
And so it won't be an issue for me. Okay, you can send it to me, and I'll delete it like from my gallery. So it will be in our chat.
I understand.
So I wouldn't have a problem with that. Like, if that person was supposed to be a person I really liked, and you get it, I wouldn't have a problem. But since I didn't like him, so I decided not to, you know, just support this kind of
so you shouldn't have told me that it shouldn't be in the early stages. What's any pan and send you news? Just go with the flow that maybe if I don't like you, no matter what the thing that you do, and coming.
If I like you, it shouldn't be in the early stages. Like, no.
Even if you like the person.
Yeah.
Hey.
I wouldn't accept it. Like, I wouldn't accept like nudes, like exchange of nudes, and no. Like, maybe we've met physically.
Yeah.
Over pants, over that one I can send you my nudes and you can send me yours. You can exchange those kind of. But I haven't seen you like this kind of blind date VIP. The person haven't met you before, and all of a sudden nudes. Hey, Charlie, no. You have to relax. Like, you have to relax.
Don't you think you are being a little bit selfish? Because one said. That is my point. But there are person may drive you at next home. You know, I voluntarily sent it to you. Yeah. Me and my emergency message the amount. So whether or not you want to exchange yours with me, you know, I don't think that is necessary. Or that should be a yardstick for you to tell me that maybe you don't like it and not BB. Maybe don't you think, say, you only have a problem because you think the guy will be requesting for yours any moment from that time?
Not that. I that early stage is no.
It's a no for you.
No, it's a no for me. Like, no.
Okay.
I want anything that happens. No.
This question is tough, yeah. But at the back, Alice, tell me the truth. Like the gospel truth. Guys, listen, hey, my name cannot quit. Have you sent wait? Alice, have you sent your news to anyone before?
Oh yeah.
Why?
My boyfriend.
Me busa say why? Me say why? I didn't say. Yeah.
Like I wanted to.
You wanted to. Hey, Alex, let's date for 2 months. Eh?
Are you okay?
Let's date for 2 months. Said yeah, 2 months. Enough time for me to get to know you. Like in Kababi, I want to come about the bias. Oh.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh.
Hey, Alice. So wait, those times when I was sending on, were you not afraid? Say maybe mistakenly, it might got leaked and not BB. Like sorry, it might get leaked and not BB.
Hey, that one.
It's a whole fever.
I was like, let's say, the first guy I dated, we, you know, we had so much, like, as I got it now, yeah, you know, hide and seek, kaka, that one get to share, kaka.
Hey!
Instead of a person there, you know, they are sick, so we were an item,
Yeah.
And he left for school.
Okay.
Like, of course, it got to a time, you'd be like, oh, whom you say, I have to come and visit, I'll be like, oh, my busy,
Yeah.
So one time, Sunday, like, you know, make pictures, and I was like, hey, wow, that was my first time, like, I thought this. I was like, hey, if you decide to say, what is the reason for sending me to oh, like, to show, say, he misses me, sign your man.
Yeah.
Like, okay. So, I'll say, okay, so why not say, let's send Nudity? It was so difficult for me because I didn't know how to take the picture.
Yeah.
I didn't know, like, how I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and see, just a baby now, your honor. I tried to, you know, take the picture and send it to him.
That's right.
So we send the picture now. I did it for like, let's say 3 consecutive times, you know.
Yeah.
So afterwards I was like, so what is send the phone, let's say, yeah, what the come out, like, hey, you know, that kind of thing. Like, so what you say, me and this guy, no, because I don't like him again, we are breaking up, no,
man.
I'm like, hey, I'm so cool, man. Hey. Like, I had all this thought, and I was like, oh,
maybe CBNC.
Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen.
Yeah.
Like, nothing is going to happen.
Yeah.
Hey, and it happened. Like, I told the guy it's over. And he was like, do you know I have your nudes?
Ah!
I was like, oh, please. You know, that time, I didn't go that low. I was like, you have my nudes, and so what? I have your photo. And actually, I didn't have it though. But, you know, I went like, I'm not that low. Like, you can't do that.
I know you, man. Hey. Hey, Alice.
Hey, are you trying to tell me that it's over? I have your nudes. I have your nude pictures. Hey.
Then the guy didn't like you.
When he said that, I was like, hey. So you wanted my nudes so that you can use it to blackmail?
Yeah.
Or like, what you needed it for? If you have my nudes, okay, me too, I have your nudes. If you trend mine, I will trend yours. It was like, okay, end it there. I didn't mean to say. I was like, So later when he came and he was like, instead of the catcher and say it's over, not it's shame, and only the are not like only your first, only your baby, any sign your man. Like he decided to say, he has my news. I say, I don't know what kind of crown point, you know. It's over, like it's over.
Over. Hey, ready, I'll go for
that trust to be in your mind, but you know, put down.
Hey. Alice, you are getting me emotional. The beg, yeah, Mr.
Let me just kill your depression.
Oh, hey. But such is life, though. Hey, no life, hey. So wait. So, fortunately for you, you don't have your nudes out there, right? you don't have your nudes out there. Like Oko Google na me kobo Alice Eshe Google. Ember.
Hey, no. Hey, nigga man, what's up?
Hey, Alice.
No. Like, as I said, it depends on the type of relationship you have with the person.
Yeah.
So that you can have this new stuff. But, you know, if for you, it is good for you, just do it. If it is not good for you, just, you can go to the person, and you do your thing with the person. But if you know it's not good that you have to send it to the person and hold on, just leave the book and go to your point.
But the thing is, Alice, if you'd ask me, I am so much into it, all right? I am not against the fact that you should send your nude to your boyfriend or your girlfriend. You get me? I don't want to say stuff, but, you know, stuff like this happen. And one say revolutionary, you know, time beyond life, changes. You get it? And we are in the era of nudes, like we are in the era of showing so many, I don't know, forms of emotions through so many ways. You get it? So as you earlier said, if you feel sending nudes to your guy or your girl will make her feel secured, will make you feel okay or something, man, I think you guys should just go in for it, all right?
Yeah.
You get it? Jack, Alice, I think it's your time, Asa. You feel me? But I would love for us to do this another time.
Okay.
My viewers are here. Alice, if I call you and you don't pick, Alice.
Oh, I'll take it.
Alice, if I call you and you do yourself slap.
What I can't do myself, come for my chicken man, why?
Ah, God, Alice. I don't own any problem. Yeah. Any problem.
Oh, me I know.
What the goat man crime? Any problem, Jack? Hey, Alice. What now? No be for one my Gary. So you, Alice, let me get back to you later, all right? Thanks so much for your time. You feel me?
Okay.
All right, so guys, that was Alice. Yeah, you heard it all. Like, if you want to do this, you can. If you don't feel secure about it, please don't. All right, and then just be careful with the kind of people that you send your news to. You feel me? So this is the topic for today. This is the topic for today. Nudity in relationships. You get me? Do you think it's good? Let me know below the comment section. Do you think it's bad? Same thing as well. All right. This is Kush. I've been with you all this while, and Alice was the person that I talked to. All right. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for me. Like this video, share this video, comment. All right. Let me know your thoughts about this whole thing. Yeah. Let's catch ourselves later. Yeah. Bye.